Hi everyone, it's Isabella from Vacuums R Us and Sewing Too. And today I'm going to show you some of the basics on your Husqvarna Viking Opal 690Q machine. Let's start with threading. First, when you thread, you're going to take it above the metal piece and then take it under the plastic edge that's sticking out. You're going to go through the first crevice all the way down and bring your thread up through the second crevice and make sure it catches on the take-up tool. And then you're going to bring it down once again through the bottom. Before you begin threading your needle, make sure your needle is in the highest possible position. Take your thread and put it through the protruding metal piece, making sure it clicks into place. Then bring your needle thread lever down into its lowest position. Hook your thread through the outermost prong. Put some tension on your thread and then release the lever. It will create a loop that you then pull all the way through the eye of the needle.